Good day, Earthlings. Just wanted to show you our shelter we built. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Now when it rains, we can sit out here. We're going to improve it for the winter time. So when it snows, we can brush the snow off the top. But yeah, I'm going to have a fire tonight. Yeah. Let's look at the sky. There we go. Look at the sky. Isn't that beautiful? What a beautiful evening. Wow. Earlier it was so windy. Now it's just gorgeous out. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Nice and calm. Oh, beautiful shelter. Yee, love it, love it. Anyways, just wanted to share that with you all. Hope you all have a beautiful day. And let's check out the sunset happening over there. Yeah. Y'all have a beautiful evening. Ciao for now.